Hi there, curious minds. In this session, we will delve deeper into English and the topic of dogmatism. Let's get learning. Dogmatism, by definition, is treating something as true without any question or allowance for conversation. Imagine someone presenting their opinion to you as if it were a hard, undeniable fact. That's what a dogmatic argument looks like. It's like putting on blinders and believing something solely because you want to believe it, regardless of any opposing evidence or opinions. You see, the essence of logic demands facts and evidence. Opinions, while they may be interesting and thought-provoking, never suffice as standalone facts. Therefore, a dogmatic argument inherently contains a logical fallacy. It presents personal beliefs or perspectives as if they were universally accepted truths, without providing any substantial proof to back up these assertions. Dogmatism isn't restricted to one area or topic. It can be seen in various forms and contexts. Some common types of dogmatism include political dogmatism, racist dogmatism, faith-based dogmatism. Each of these examples presents opinions or beliefs as facts without allowing room for open discussion or questioning. Now, how can we avoid falling into the pit of dogmatism? The key is to understand why you believe in something. Be logical and persistent in your pursuit of knowledge. Don't stop until you have a reasonable answer. Ask questions, encourage debate, and always be open to new evidence or perspectives. The world of knowledge is a vast and varied landscape, and to traverse it, we must be willing to challenge our beliefs and adapt our understanding. Be cautious. Dogmatic arguments can often be intertwined with other types of fallacious reasoning. You might encounter circular reasoning, where the argument refers back to itself instead of presenting new evidence. Or, you could face scare tactics, where fear is used to support a dogmatic stance. And then, there are appeals to tradition, which assert that things should remain the same simply because that's how it's always been. All of these tactics contribute to creating dogmatic arguments, which, remember, we want to avoid. That wraps up our session. Remember, each day brings new learning opportunities. Until next time, stay curious.